Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. Let's talk about how to install a slip collar. We see this a lot in the Midwest. As the seasons change, the ground hardens and softens. This causes the ground to contract, pulling the meter riser away from the meter can. In order to fix this, you need to install a slip collar. This allows the pipe to slide up and down without pulling it away from the meter can. You will need a slip collar, lock nut, bushing, Allen wrenches, Noah locks, a sawzall, and a small piece of metal wire. The first step is scheduling a meet with your utility company. They will disconnect the power at the transformer. Then you will unhook the wires from the meter can. Next, you will score the meter riser with your sawzall at about half the length of the slip collar. Once the pipe is scored, use the small metal wire to cut the rest of the pipe. Remove the pipe by bending the wires out of the meter can. Install the slip collar over the wires. Tap down so you can insert the wires back into the meter can. Then tap the slip collar back up and secure it with the lock nut and bushing. Reconnect the wires to the meter can. Use Noah locks. Turn back on the power and test your work. Like this video or subscribe to our page for more helpful videos.